Hello guys, English Police here. In this video, we're going to look at certain expressions involving the use of the word spoil that I find inappropriate. You hear people say, my mobile phone is spoiled, I am going to repair it. And you wonder what they mean by that. So I made this video for us to look at how we can use spoil correctly. By the way, in American English, spoil is spoiled in the past and past participle forms, whereas in British English they may use spoilt or spoiled. Now let's look at the different ways we can use the word spoil. The word spoil can be used in these contexts. 1. To prevent something from becoming successful. For example, the funeral was spoiled by a torrential rain. Now let's look at the second context in which spoil can be used. If you give everything a child wants or asks for, then you're spoiling that child. And that is the second meaning we are looking at. For example, you can say grandparents are known for spoiling their grandchildren. Or you can also say Tom is a spoiled child. For example, spoil yourself with a new smartphone this Christmas. In the third context, spoil can be used to mean to give yourself or someone else a nice treat, or to do something special for yourself or someone else. Or you can even say, I'm going to spoil my wife with a trip to Rwanda. Alright, so in the fourth context, we can use spoil in reference to foods. For example, if something is no longer fit to be eaten, then we can say it is spoiled. For example, you can say, drink the milk before it spoils. The fifth context is in relation to voting. Yeah. Remember, you can spoil your vote or your ballot. If the vote is not accepted because you wrote something on the ballot paper or you thumbprinted wrongly, then you have spoiled the ballot. Alright, remember that the word spoil can also be a noun, which means the goods or territories taken in war. For example, you can say, this gold jewelry is part of the spoils. So if you're still watching the video, then a subscription to this channel will be a massive encouragement to me. Okay, so we are going to look at two important expressions involving the use of the word spoil. The first one is spoilt or spoiled for choice, and the second is spoils of. Let's take them one by one. When we say someone is spoiled for choice, what do we mean by that? When we say that, we mean they have a great many things of the same type to choose from. Have we got it? So imagine having so many types of mobile phones in a shop and you are required to buy one for your use. At that moment, you could be said to be spoiled for choice. Example, these days, phone buyers are spoiled for choice when it comes to buying a new smartphone for their use. The second expression is spoils of. When you use this expression, spoils of, let's say, war, spoils of politics, then you want to mean the things people get as a result of winning a battle or of doing something successfully. Let's consider this example also. One of the spoils of politics is that the winning party gets to make numerous appointments. Alright, so from the foregoing, we can conclude that it is inappropriate for you to say, my shoes are spoiled, my mobile phone is spoiled, when in fact it is probably malfunctioning or has broken down completely. Again, it will not be correct for you to say, my bench is spoiled. It is better for you to say is broken instead of saying the bench is spoiled. I want you to tell me in the comment section below which other expressions involving spoiled you think are wrong. If you enjoyed the video, I would entreat you to give the channel a subscription. Thank you for watching.